There's the hotel they got here. They got hotels upstairs. They're expensive though. I think it was when I checked the price, it was like $300 for the night, something like that. So the bag's gonna be downstairs. Yeah, downstairs. Thank you. It's been a while.
I'm here like twice a month.
That's why I got my hands. That was a nice smooth flight. $14.
I got some maintenance stuff.
14 or 13. So we made it to Orlando airport and we're just waiting for the rental car. Trying to find it. I'm sorry. Did I say rental car? I didn't mean rental car. From the hotel shuttle. That's what we're waiting for. The hotel shuttle will pick us up. Stay tuned. We'll find it. I'll let you guys know. So we arrived here at the Embassy Suites, Orlando Airport, room 329. And we're here for the night because we got our cruise in the morning. And you know, we love Embassy Suites. You just close the shades, close the shades. And you know, we got this nice little lounge area. Nice little lounge. The big screen TV there. 2 chairs there. Obviously, it's a connecting room. See the door right there. Fridge and a microwave. Oh, nice deep size fridge too. But you know, we're not gonna be using it. We're not here. Microwave. I'm guessing this is probably where they have the heating unit at. That's usually what it is. Oh no, wow, they got this one set up different.
What's the closet?
They got the iron board in here. Okay. Over here, we got the bathroom. What's the bathroom here on, man?
It's looking nice. Mm-hmm. It's right in here.
Nice size bathroom, tub, shower head. Typical, average toilet. Smells a little funny in here. I don't know what it's. But other than that, it's.
It's like a wet mildew.
Yeah, like they would wash the shampoo the rugs or something.
It's like a mildew.
Mildew. See a little sink here.
But it's not. Ooh, look at the pool. Ooh.
Nice. That headboard, is that a design or just look worn out?
It's supposed to be like a dirtyish.
Okay.
Like a, you know.
Oh wow, they got a nice pool.
That was nice.
Ooh, yeah, it's a nice pool down there. Ain't a little hot tub over there? Oh, nice. I like that. Of course, you know, that you come to Florida, you know, they're gonna have some nice pools for the most part.
You want to say they got something to eat downstairs? Or you good?
We'll probably order something from Uber Eats. What do you think? But yeah, it's just a room, space of room again. Like I said, we're just here for the night. Until we got our cruise leaving this morning. So yeah, it's just typical. Let's see if we find it. Nope. All right, Ben. Nope. Hilton's been slacking lately with the, with the good books. Get the good book? Yeah, usually I always look for the good book when I come in. Yeah, they've been slacking with the good books lately. But yeah, it's room 329. Got a nice ceiling fan, little wall art. little autumn climate type chair to relax in. Again, we're not gonna be doing much here. We're just here for the night. We just came in. Had kind of a late flight. Usually I try to get an early flight so we can enjoy the day, but we had just a regular late flight. So pretty much get here. We're gonna unwind for the night and have a shuttle service come to pick us up tomorrow. I think it's Cruise Connection Transportation, I think the name of the place. I don't know, but I hired a shuttle service to come pick us up to take us to Port Canaveral in the morning. So, yeah, so this is just it. So, nice and, like I said, nice little room for the night. I'm gonna unwind and just wanted to give a review of the room. So if you ever could decide to come here, it's the Embassy Suites by Orlando Airport. I read some mixed reviews, but you know, it was good. They do have a happy hour downstairs. Unfortunately, we missed it, and that's one of the reasons why we love coming to Embassy Suites, because of happy hour. But we missed it today. So, but they still got the bar down there. Bar down there. And happy hours over 6 o'clock. They do have a restaurant down here if you want to order some food. And yes, they got games on TV, college games right there. So yeah, it's a nice hotel. I would definitely recommend it so far. So I'm sitting here, guys, outside the hotel. We made it. Just waiting for my Uber Eats to show up. Should be here any second now. It's a beautiful night out here, man. It is really a beautiful night out here. A couple of palm trees right there. It's a nice, cool, breezy. Is that my car? I said it was red. No, that is something different. But yeah, it's a nice breezy night out here. And it's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's got a nice little breeze to it. There she goes. There goes my Uber Eats. But yeah, sit here, order my food, and I'm gonna go upstairs. You know, that's what I'm doing today. That's exactly what we're doing today. So yeah, there she goes right there. Hotel food's too expensive.